The Zephyr project is a zero-emission ports hydrogen refuelling vessel, and with that we've got a few aims, and we're trying to tackle the supply and demand problem all under the roof of one project. So we've got SeaKit delivering the uncrewed surface vessel, hydrogen powered. We've also then got the refuelling infrastructure going in on the shore side, and finally we've got an operator who's the Port of London Authority to operate it for a demonstration period. SeaKit's USV is a 14-metre hydrogen-powered uncrewed surface vessel. It's composite, a bit different to the aluminium that we normally build from, and compressed hydrogen gas fuelled.
Our project started in October 2023, and we've begun the full structural appraisal of the vessel. We aim to have completion of the assembly by the end of 2024 and testing beginning early stages of 2025.
From the Port of London's perspective, this project is really beneficial to us. We're the largest port in the UK. We're going to have the first Thames-based hydrogen-powered vessel. We're going to have a refueling plant to power that from. The platform is going to be longer duration, so it can work between 5 and 10 days at sea. It'll be operated and controlled remotely from our new port operations centre, which is being built at the moment, and that's really exciting. And we'll be undertaking a range of work, including safety of navigation, environmental monitoring, infrastructure support, and research and development.
The Port of London Authority is responsible for safety of navigation of 95 miles of the tidal Thames. So you can imagine there are multiple communities and businesses all operating in this area. Being involved in a project like Zephyr means that we can really influence the environment of the Thames, particularly in terms of local air quality emissions, but also in terms of helping those smaller operators and businesses make important decisions about the fuels that they're going to use in the future.
As a business, we are investing our own money into the project, and the funding is enabling us to move forward our hydrogen systems into manufacture. Innovate has assisted us greatly with collaborations, providing network opportunities. Zephyr will invigorate UK shipbuilding, providing a wealth of new jobs up and down the supply chain in shipbuilding, manufacturing, green jobs, and show that hydrogen has its place in maritime.
I entered into the industry in the midst of the climate crisis, so what's really important to me is looking at employers and projects that are going to be really benefiting society. And with that, SeaKit and the Zephyr project is really true to the core of what I wanted to tackle, and that is sustainability and zero emission shipping for the future.